Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, take out your Maths New Engineering book and open page number 29. Today we are going to start chapter 3, subtraction within 20. Okay, so worksheet 1 is given here. In this worksheet we have to subtract by cross out the objects. Okay, so cross out to find the difference. Here we have to find the difference by crossing out the objects. Okay, so first one is we have 8 triangles and we have to cut 4 triangles out of 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 triangles we have and we have to subtract 4. Okay, to subtract we will cross out. Okay students, so we will cross out 4. 1 2 3 4. So after crossing out 4 triangles from 8 triangles, how many triangles are left? 1 2 3 4. So 4 triangles are left. Okay, so it means 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. Understood? Now look at the second one. Here we have 5 pentagons. Okay, sorry, 9 pentagons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so out of 9, how many we have to cross out? 7. Okay, from 9 we have to cross out 7 pentagons. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 6 7. So after crossing out 7 from 9, so how many left? 1 2. Only 2 pentagons are left. So 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. Okay, this shape is having 5 lines. Okay, this is a closed figure having 5 lines, so we call this pentagon. Okay, so now we have third one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have 7 cubes. Okay, so out of 7 cubes we have to cross out 5 cubes. Okay, so let's cross out 5 cubes. 1 2 3 4 5. So after crossing out 5 cubes from 7 cubes, how many I left with? 1 2. So we left with 2 cubes. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Okay, so this is the difference here. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Okay, so let's see this one also, fourth part. Here we have cylindrical shapes. How many? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 cylindrical shape are there. So out of 5, how many we have to cross out? 2. 1 2. Okay, so how many left with us after crossing out 2? 1 2 3. Okay, so 3 cylinders will left here. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. I hope you all have understood this now. Students, now come on page number 30, worksheet 2. Okay, so this is our worksheet 2. So what we have to do here? So in question 1 we have to count back to subtract. Okay, so use the number line to subtract. So here we are having number line. Okay, So numbers are marked from 0 to 10 here. Okay, so we have to use this line to subtract. Okay, so we have first part here, start at 7. Okay, so we have to start from 7. Okay, so first of all we will find out 7 on the number line. 7 is here, so we have to start from here. Okay, from 7. So now we have to subtract 3. Minus 3 is there na, so we have to uh, subtract 3 from 7. Okay, so to subtract, I told you that we move backward to subtract. Okay, so 3 times we will move backward from 7. So 1 2 3. So after moving 3 step backward we will reach on 4. So 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. This also this have already done, already written here. So now let's do this one. Now this also we have to start from 7 and we have to subtract 5. Okay, so start from 7, you have to move 5 times backward. Okay, so start from 7, and how many times you have to move backward? 5 times. Okay, because we have to subtract 5 from 7. So let's move 5 times backward. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, after moving 5 step backward we will reach on 2. So 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Understood? Now let's see B part. You can do this easily. Now let's see B part. Here we have to start at from 9. Okay, we have to start from 9. So 9 is here on the number line. Okay, and how many times we have to move backward? One time, because we have to subtract 1 here. Okay, so one time we will move backward. So at what number we will reach on after moving one step backward? 8. So 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. Okay, now next 5, we have to subtract 5 from 9. Again we have to start from 9. Okay, so again we have to start from 9 and we have to move backward 5 times. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so after moving 5 step backward we will reach on 4. 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. I hope you have understood this now. Okay, so now come on question number 2 here. Using parts of numbers, put the marbles in the jars as instructed. Some instructions are given here. So some instructions are given here. Okay, so we have to read the instructions very carefully, then we have to solve this. Okay, so first one is part A. Use 6 marbles. Okay, we have to use 6 marbles. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 we have to use. So now look here, put one marble in the jar on the left. Okay, how many marbles we have to put in left jar? One marble only. Okay, so this is our left. Okay, and then this one is right jar. Okay, Okay, so how many we have to put in left jar? One only. So one we will put here. So and rest in the other. So after putting one marble in this jar, how many marbles? How many marbles left? We have put one marble here, so cross out one. So now we have 1 2 3 4 5 marbles. So put 5 marbles in this jar. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now part B, use 6 marbles. Here also we have to use 6 marbles. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So put all the marbles equally in both jars. We have to put equally. Okay, so to put equally we will put one by one. Okay, one in this and one on the right. Okay, so two we have used. Now again one in this and one in this. Now four we have used. We have left with two only. Okay, so one will go here and one will go here. Okay, cross out those. Now we have crossed out. We have put all the marbles equally. Okay, three in each jar. Okay, student, I hope you all have understood this one. If you have any problem, you may ask.